So there's a ton of people out today, and it's a Sunday fun day, most likely, and everybody's out with their jet skis. You want to see? I don't know if you guys can see it, it's pretty small, but there's another island out there in the middle, and there's a ton of people out there today. I think just having fun and celebrating since it's spring break. But yeah, there's probably about 20 or 30 jet skis around.
I can't stay in DC for more than 2 or 3 more years. That's it.
Yeah. So you're working on this online video thing, and then you're trying to sell tickets that way?
Yeah, I thought it sort of can solve a few issues, because if I want to keep it sort of location independent.
I think I spoke too soon. It's raining now, and I just finished the meeting with my mastermind group and heading to go get some dinner now. But pretty much stayed inside today and caught up on my courses and other things. It was pretty productive. Didn't end up going out or anything. And yep. I'm headed to Medellin Tuesday, and so I have 1 day left. It's tomorrow. Probably just hang out and maybe check something out if it's nearby. And other than that, I'm just really excited, just trying to line everything up. I've arranged the accommodations, the driver from the airport to the hostel, so we're good with that. And now just pretty much have to go, right? This is gonna be a short vlog, but I figured I'd make something anyways.